The IMI Summer Program is a hospitality-focused summer program for students aged 16 and up. So if you're within your last 2 years of high school, it's targeted towards you. This is an excellent opportunity to come and discover all of the beautiful things that Switzerland has to offer, as well as to help you to explore their career fields anywhere in hospitality. Whether it's culinary, hospitality management, business ownership, this is the place to come and discover that. So what can you expect from a program here at IMI? Well, in the mornings you'll be attending hospitality-focused classes. And in the afternoons we get to go on excursions that are directly related to what you've learned. For example, we went to the Lindt Chocolate Factory in Zurich, which was an amazing hit. We got to see how cheese is made in Gruyere, visiting a biofarm right behind the school, get a one-on-one cocktail and mocktail making lesson from one of Switzerland's finest mixologists. And we even took them out for a nice little boat ride. So these are the types of activities that you can expect. And on weekends, you will be more than busy exploring Switzerland, learning new things.
My favorite things are in the mountain classes and for the slide.
It's not just about the studies, it's also about building friendships and working on your personal skills. So we'll take you out on a lot of exciting adventures throughout Lucerne. We'll host some interesting nights here on campus as well. One of the most wonderful and important things, though, about choosing IMI for your summer program is that you get to experience what it's like to be a university student for 2 weeks. You get to see what real dorm life would be like here. So it is a great time. Yes, there's study involved, but there's a lot of fun involved too. And that's what we hope that you'll get out of the IMI Summer Program. Not just your future career choice, but also to build a whole brand new you.
My favorite activity so far is the trip to Bern. I love the city, how it looks, and all the underground shops. I find it very interesting, and the architecture is very interesting.
Chocolate factory today. The tasting and the way we got to know about the chocolate pods, the cacao pods was so interesting, and by far the best day I've ever had.
If the IMI Summer Program sounds like something that you'd like to explore, or if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us directly. We will get back to you as quickly as possible. And I can't wait to see you next summer.